Hey YouTube, welcome back guys and happy Friday. Today I'm going to unbox this. This is the Nike Air Huarache Run PRM. So let's go ahead and get it started. I got this from as you can see right here, it's from the Foot Action. We got this at the mall, so let's go ahead and get this started. This is a special gift. So let's see. So like always, I'm going to give you the 360 view of the box real quick, guys. This is the original authentic from Nike. And then the box is made in Vietnam instead of China. Here is a size 7.5, UK is 6.5, European size is 40.5. As you can see, the retail price for this pair is $120. And this is the lime, golden, beige, and then the black colorway. And it says made in Vietnam. So let's go ahead and get this box. Wow, look at that. You got like a splatter of white and then black paint on this gray outsole. And then on the bottom sole you have like a black finish. It says Nike Air. You got this beige suede. And right here on the front foot of the toe box, you got the gray suede, which is nice. And look at the lace, wow. It's like a purple with the orange. And right here, it's not suede, it's like a nylon. And then you got this Air Huarache by Nike on the tongue with the pink, not pink, orange, and then like a top, the all tan color circle right here. And right here on this section is like a dark, kind of like a brownish color. And on the back, you got the Nike on the heel cup right here. And then toward the bottom, it says Air. You got this purple. Then here is the size label right there. Let's see. And on the inside, you got this like a Nike, like a Lakers color, purplish. Let me see if I can take out the insole. I think the insole is like glue on, so I can take it out to show you guys. So anyway. And then this one's the other side of the shoes. So anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button and then turn on the bell for notification, guys. All right, and drop any comments on below. So on the inside it says Nike Air, and it has a men's size 7.5 sticker on there. So due to this size 7.5, it is too small for me to try on for you guys, unless I could try fit in there very tight. So we'll see. All right, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video, guys. Like always, peace out.